Inaugural class of the AAAS Lemelson Invention Ambassadors Program. Dr. Cooper is a leading expert in the development of assistive technology for people with disabilities. Rory's an accomplished inventor who knows the power of invention as he sees the positive impact of his own inventions touching people out in the community. He's been instrumental in designing new wheelchair design functions, such as the square cross-section of brace. I don't know what that is, but you're going to probably explain it to us. And the push-rim activated power assist wheelchair. He's been honored by many, including the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, the U.S. Army War College, the AAAS, the NIH, and the International Paralympic Committee, among others. And also he's been honored for his commitment to student mentorship and teaching, which I think is so important in terms of ensuring the next generation. So Rory is currently the FISA PVA Endowed Chair and a Distinguished Professor of the Department of Rehabilitation Science and Technology, School of Health and Rehabilitation Sciences at the University of Pittsburgh, as well as head of the Center of Excellence for Wheelchair and Related Technology at the VA Rehabilitation Research and Development Center. He has a number of additional departmental affiliations because he crosses all boundaries as far as I can see, and also is on the faculty at Carnegie Mellon University. So I welcome Rory to tell us about his work and how he thinks about invention changing the world.
Thank you, Carol, for that kind introduction. I'm going to start a little bit with a video, and then, because what I do is very visual. One of the great things about what I invent is I'm using several of my own inventions today. We can actually do a little game for you to figure out how many inventions are on my chair. And then I'll go into my formal presentation. So we can get the video started.